Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the sterling versus US dollar, an updated look from the sterling versus US dollar. Today's date is May 28, 2024. Let's get started. In the Kickstarter video, I looked at the 4-hour chart and outlined this area up through here, which was a swing area going back in time here. A lot of times when you have a high, an extreme high, you get an area below that level where there is attempts to either find support after breaking above or finding a resistance after breaking below. And here the price fell back below this swing area, came down toward the 200-hour moving average, or 200-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, I should say. Tried to stay in between the 100 and 200 bar moving average before breaking to the upside. And what did? We came right back up to that swing area, found resistance sellers against that level, and that was it. It wasn't until today that the price returned to that swing area, and lo and behold, we found willing sellers against that level. It helps that it is also right near the 128 level. The high price today reached 127.997, just below the 128 level and just below the high of this swing area up to 1.28024. And since then, we've seen a rotation back to the downside. Now that rotation to the downside, if I switch over to the 1-hour chart, came back down to test something more local here, or more recent, I should say. And that was this high right here. We break to the upside and we come back down, try to test the swing level right here. So what was resistance now becomes support, and we've seen the support come back down and test it on two separate occasions. We are now we are pushing down against that support at 127.59. If the price were to break below that level, then I would expect to see a retest of the 100-hour moving average down below. Now that moving average was broken here in trading last week, and then broken back above it on Friday's trade. If it were to go down and test that level and fall below that level, then we look forward to 200-hour moving average right here. And that was the where the low price from last week stalled before moving to the upside. So this has a history, this 200-hour moving average, and getting below the 100-hour moving average is also something that we always look to pay attention to. These lows right through here found support against the 100-hour moving average. So the storyline is pretty easy to read, I guess, from a technical perspective. We have resistance up near the 128 level, right near that swing area off the 4-hour chart. We have support right here at the 127.59-ish type area, and then we start to look toward the 100 and 200-hour moving averages below, because they always come in play. My name is Greg McCloskey with a technical look at the sterling versus US dollar. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.